Hello everyone, welcome back to Items from the Archives. I'm Max, and today we're going to be taking a look at this M1 Garand battle rifle from the early part of World War II. This is the second part to our early war series that we started last week with an early U.S. Army uniform from the 164th Infantry Regiment. So let's get started. The M1 Garand was developed in 1936 by legendary Canadian-American weapons designer John Garand. It was also the first standard-issue autoloading rifle for the United States military. It fired the 30-06 round from an 8-round clip. The M1 was the main service rifle for the United States military from 1936 all the way through 1958. During the Battle of Guadalcanal, the 164th Infantry Regiment of the North Dakota Army National Guard was the first Army regiment to take the M1 into battle. Sadly, the museum's M1 is missing its trigger assembly and its history is unknown. Thank you for tuning into this week's Items from the Archives, and we hope you have a great rest of your week. Goodbye.